welcome to Candy Entertains. Today we are making my honey lemon pepper wings that are perfect for game day. So let's get started. So now we're just going to combine 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, maybe a teaspoon and a half. And you just want to combine that like so. And the cornstarch is going to create a nice crust for our lemon pepper wings. We always want a nice crust for the wings. And from there, you just want to season like so, both sides of your chicken. Just kind of toss it together to make sure every piece is well seasoned with garlic salt and cornstarch. And from there, we're going to put them in our air fryer for about 20 minutes total, and then halfway through, flip them to make sure both sides get golden brown. Be sure to preheat your air fryer before you start, and we want to cook it at 400 degrees. And now we're just going to put each wing in our air fryer. Make sure you space it out as well. Don't overcrowd. In the air fryer, you can certainly roast these in the oven. We'll get the same effect. Or you can fry them in grease, but the choice is yours. So it's time to put together our sauce for our honey lemon pepper wings. So of course, we have lemons, fresh lemons. We're gonna squeeze the juice and get the zest from the lemons because we really wanna infuse that lemon flavor. And then of course, honey to sweeten things up. Tons of black pepper. When you feel like you put a lot, put more because it's just honey lemon pepper wings. And my secret ingredient is a little bit of onion powder. From there, we'll put a little butter in it to make it nice and luscious. Our honey lemon pepper glaze, it's coming to a boil. You want to bring it to a boil and then bring it down to a nice simmer and let it thicken up a bit because we want to glaze this over our chicken once it's done. And then our last secret ingredient is about a tablespoon of butter, and that butter will just dissolve right into the sauce. And you know, butter makes everything taste better, and it just brings this lusciousness. Our wings are halfway through, and we're just gonna flip them over so they can cook evenly. You hear them sizzling. We're gonna cook them for about another 12 minutes or so, and they'll be golden brown. And when they come out, we will drizzle our honey lemon pepper glaze right over top. So our wings are finished cooking, and it's time to drizzle our honey lemon pepper glaze over top. This glaze is so delicious, and it's just gonna soak right into our chicken like so. I'm gonna give it a nice toss and plate it all up. It's nice and thick. Yum. So from there, just give it a nice toss in a bowl. And then we're gonna plate it up really nicely. You guys have to make this for your next game day party. It's football season, and it's not a party without a wing, okay? So our chicken is finished. Don't they look delicious? I have some I made earlier, and I'm just gonna add to this nice tray the rest. My entertaining tip is to get a cute tray or just place them nicely on a beautiful platter for your next party. Remember, I always say people eat with their eyes, guys. So we want to make sure our food looks just as good as how it's going to taste. And I have celery sticks right next to them. You know, people love a wing and some celery. And my last garnish is just a little fresh chopped parsley right over top like so. And there you have it, my honey, I'll put this one over there, honey lemon pepper wings. So my honey lemon pepper game day wings are all finished, and it's my favorite part. Taste Okay, so it's lemony. The honey is perfect to give it just a kiss of sweetness. You will have to make this for your next party. I guarantee it will be a hit. Everyone loves a good honey lemon pepper wing. All right, if you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.